How can policymakers regulate Airbnb to maximize economic benefits while keeping negative side effects for residents to a minimum? Our longitudinal investigation offers some key insights. At some destinations, Airbnb was initially prohibited. Over time, policymakers loosened restrictions to allow the short-term renting of private spaces within specific parameters. At other destinations, Airbnb was initially unregulated. Over time, policymakers introduced boundaries within which private short-term letting was permissible. Regulations around the world have converged over the past decade. To ensure sufficient affordable housing for residents, regulations prohibit unhosted rentals, prohibit hosting in government-subsidized housing, limit the number of days, and use a licensing system with adjustable numbers of available licenses. To ensure quality of life of residents, council-managed systems enable residents to report disruptions from short-term letting. To ensure guest safety, hosts must self-declare compliance with building regulations and confirm the functioning of safety devices such as fire alarms and fire extinguishers. Some destinations require proof of public liability insurance. To inform city planning, councils collect, via their own registration process, the name of the host, their address, contact details, and whether their listing is hosted or unhosted. To ensure appropriate taxation, hosts must provide their tax file number. In some instances, hosts pay the tourist tax directly to council. In other cases, Airbnb remits the tourist tax on behalf of the hosts. To ensure independence of regulator and industry, most destinations collect their own data rather than relying on data provided by Airbnb. These insights are of immediate value to destinations developing short-term rental regulations now or in future. Importantly, regulations must be location-specific. Stricter regulations are needed at popular tourist destinations with pre-existing real estate shortages. At less popular destinations, the benefits Airbnb brings are likely to outweigh potential negative side effects, and regulation may not be required at all.